The Lord is releasing His promise today from Exodus 4, verse 7. Moses put his hand back into his coat. When he took it out, the skin was healthy again. His hand was like the rest of his skin. Just like the Lord performed a supernatural miracle to Moses and the Israelites, the same God is willing to do great wonders in your life. I'm not sure what kind of situation you're going through. Maybe you're looking for healing and restoration in your life. Maybe you've lost everything. The Lord is willing to do a supernatural miracle. Receive it.